Oh my god, see that? See? He's further away now, it's not so close. Like, mind blown? Can you tell the people just one thing of what you've taught me already, Jem?
When you're doing video, always have your shutter speed at double your frame rate. That's it.
That's so simple.
That's it.
And then you can
adjust your other parts of your exposure around that.
It's like mind blowing and so good to know.
And it depends on if you're where you are in the world, if you're shooting in PAL or NTSC as to what frame rate you're filming as well.
Okay, you're getting too advanced for the people. If anybody wants to see Jem do a tech video or YouTube channel,
oh, here we go.
Comment below. Feel like I need more detail, and if I could see it in a video with your pretty face on it.
Oh, he's up.
Oh my god, I can learn so much. You could have like Tech Tuesday. 2-minute Tuesdays like Peter McKinnon. Right?
If people want it, I will do it.
Like this video, subscribe.
How do they say? Comment below.
Yeah, get used to it.
Like and subs up. Is that what they say?
Subs up. Hey, that could be your thing.
No, that's okay.
Oh. You're not old.
There you go. Who did she watch?
There it is. Oh yeah. Explain what it's for.
This is purely soul feeding. I like to hug it, but it's purely to reflect the glass in the light, and you can do anything you want with it, really.
Suggestive at all, isn't it?
Where are we going? We're going to get some wine. We're going to get some wine. Time. That time. I'm sorry, I had to go.
First drop wines. We make all our wines here, and we source our grapes from the best spots in South Australia, with Adelaide Hills, Ross Valley, and McLaren Vale. Our mother's milk grass is very
Beautiful.
dangerously expensive. So yeah, so Adelaide Hills. And was it for 2 people? Yeah. So you've got steamed prisoner. What dangerous getting on the road? So it's Adelaide Hills. Oh, nice. What were you before? Sweet wine or like Riesling? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, this is very easy to get. Green apples, limes, coming through. My nana uses it in the cellar. But it's very easy to get.
Thank you. So we've just come to take some photos because that's what you do, right? Jem's got something in mind. is it? Cookie? Good stuff. We're finished for our day. Got to spend it with my sister, and now we're going to go see the sunset in Glenelg, and I'm just going to enjoy present time consciousness with my sister. So if I film, I film. If I don't, I don't. But thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see Jem tell you more about how to do videos. Thank you. Okay, bye. See you next time. I have nuts in my teeth. Is that good? Are we good here? Oh no, it's just the stain.